This is the CMF Watch Pro 2 by Nothing in my hand. In today's video, I'm going to unbox it. So without further ado, let's take a look at the CMF Watch Pro 2 by Nothing.
Here's the box and here's the box cutter. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. The tape is on the bottom and done. Now let's open the box and let's pull this thing out. The watch sits right at the top and on the back side, well, there is nothing. Alright, here's the watch along with the straps and they are not connected. Taking the plastic wrap off, here it is, the CMF Watch Pro 2. It has some sensors and charging pins on the back, a rotating crown button on the side, all with a matte finish. We'll get back to the watch later. Let's take a look at the bands first. So these are in a leather finish and here is some branding on the back side. These are soft and flexible but the quality is average. Okay, let's put it aside and see what else is there. A relatively thin box it seems. It just has a charging cable and it seems like it's the same one that came with the previous Watch Pro. Okay, the length is alright. And these are strong magnets and that was the charging cable. Last and definitely the least, here is the manual, which I'm going to ignore, and that's it. So here's everything that was in the box. And now let's go ahead and attach the straps to the Nothing Watch Pro 2. These are quick release pin bar straps. You just have to pull back this metal pin, put them in place and release. Now the other one. And let me just fast forward this clip. Okay, it's done. These orange leather straps really complement the watch and I personally think that the CMF Watch Pro 2 looks way better than the previous Watch Pro.
I will provide real experience in my CMF Watch Pro 2 review video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss an in-depth review. I think it's a better watch in this price segment. Before this video, I published a video on how it differs from the CMF Watch Pro. Tap on the I button to watch that video. So now, let's talk about what makes this smartwatch different from other watches in the market. First up, its design. Available in different colors with silicone and leather straps, it weighs between 44.4 grams to 48.1 grams. It has a removable bezel and straps and features a rotating functional crown button. Next, the display. It comes with a 1.32-inch AMOLED screen with auto brightness, a resolution of 466 by 466 with 353 ppi. It features 620 nits of peak brightness and a 60 fps refresh rate. The watch offers over 100 plus watch faces with customizable options, including custom watch faces and photo album watch faces. It also has 120 sports mode with 5 smart recognition activities, training goal setting, warm-up exercises, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, heart rate signals, SpO2 tracking, active score, smart sleep algorithms, menstrual cycle tracking and calorie tracking. When it comes to the battery life, the Nothing Watch Pro is equipped with a 305 mAh battery that can last up to 11 days. However, I will test it on my channel to determine the actual battery life. And now for the sensors. These include an accelerometer sensor for tracking activity, an ambient light sensor, a heart rate sensor and a blood oxygen saturation sensor. It has an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, a microphone and a speaker for Bluetooth calling, and lots of smart features like message notifications, music controls, timers, stopwatch, alarm, weather update, find my phone, flashlight, camera remote, reminders, voice assistant, calendar, and wall clock for daily activities. Furthermore, you will get customizable quick gestures with it that I can use to pick up or end calls. Another aspect where it stands out is connectivity. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures quick and easy pairing. The built-in GPS module is also included for all the outdoor workouts you intend to perform while keeping your mobile away from yourself. I will give you an in-depth review soon, which will help you to understand how this watch justifies its features in this price. So don't forget to subscribe to Wearholic. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like it and comment if you have any queries. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.